Welcome to our FAQ video on PDRN, an innovative treatment for skin rejuvenation. PDRN is a natural DNA component that promotes skin repair and boosts collagen production. PDRN helps with wound healing, reduces scars and wrinkles, and significantly improves skin elasticity and hydration. Most people notice improvements after 2 to 3 sessions, with optimal results typically seen after 3 to 5 treatments. PDRN is safe for all skin types, and it is effective for various skin conditions. PDRN is well tolerated with minimal side effects such as slight redness or swelling at the injection area. Absolutely, it can be safely combined with products like fillers to enhance results. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to rejuvenate your skin, consider our Otesaly PDRN treatments. You can mix Otesaly PDRN with all Otesaly mesotherapy solution products to achieve great results.